Welcome everyone to another episode of Edge YouTube Build My PC Episode 3. I'm Chadred Minsipala. So today the topic of our discussion will be about stock color and the ANTEC A30 color. Okay, ano bang difference ng dalawang color? Bakit ko pa kakailangan ko muna ng high quality color? Okay, for that, it's all about maintaining your PC power with its lifetime. Kumbaga, yung stock color, okay naman siya kapag normal use. Pero if you are a bit heavy user, kung palagayan mong ginagamit yung PC, usually iinit yan. So, yung advantage ng ANTEC A30 specifically is that it has bigger surface area kung saan yung mga pins niya na mga aluminum mas mahigit niyang nalaradiate yung mga heat. Yung stock color, medyo maliit yung surface area. Now, both have fans that take out the heat. The difference also with the stock color is it's a bit faster and medyo mas efficient yung pagtanggal ng heat from the CPU since with the pins na marami and with the fan that either push, so kukunin niya yung cold air, or pull, hihila niya yung cold air in what configuration you like. At the same time, mas napapababa yung temperature ng CPU over time. So that's the basic gist about it. For the stock color, maybe baka mahanap nyo sa mga second hand or the new, maybe 200, 300, ganun, medyo mababa. Pero for the ANTEC, hindi naman ganun kalakihan yung price difference. A bit higher, maybe 500, 700, ganun, depending on the shop na nakukuhanan nyo. However, the little price difference is kind of worth it sa efficiency ng color na mas mapapababa yung temperature ng CPU. Tingnan natin sa mga benchmark na nagawa for the testing. For the idle, yung performance ng PC, may kunting difference nga lang. Almost the same. Pero kapag, let's say, minimal usage like YouTube, there's a bit of difference pa rin na makikita. Yes, a bit little. Pero once na napunta tayo sa gaming performance like yung sa Cyberpunk and God of War, mas makikita doon yung advantage ng ANTEC color. It might not be a big difference, pero over time, pag malagyan kang nag-game, mas advantage pa rin yung mas mababang cooling for the lifetime of the CPU. For example, kapag let's say a year, compare natin after a year, yung CPU na gumagamit ng stock color, baka may experience na performance lagging na. Pero using the ANTEC, within the span of that, still with the color temperature, makikita pa rin natin na hindi na masyadong nalalag pa yung CPU. As is pa rin yung performance just like before. Now, let's go to the maintenance. Paano ba yung maintenance? Should I maintain it every day, every week, every month? Okay, so about the maintenance, if you're a light user, especially using ANTEC color, depending on your usage, depending on the environment, may variation. However, if you're a normal user with, let's say, good space, kung office space or room space na hindi masyadong maalikabok, okay lang kung once every 6 months. However, kung medyo hindi ng konti yung usage and may malapit sa kalsada yung build mo, or may nakibit na konti, as much as possible, at least, let's say, mag-range ng once every month or once every 3 months. As long na tinitignan nyo yung parts ng PC nyo, kung may nakikita yung lots of dust, if you're seeing lots of parang kulay na inaiba na nagtatan sa mga fans ninyo, clean it para still ma-maintain natin yung performance as is of your build. Now, that's the end of the topic today. So at least may natutunan na kayo sa topic natin ngayon about the cooling effect. So a good way to maintain our PC build. So before we go, please like, share, follow, and subscribe to Edge YouTube channel para sa susunod na video, nandito pa kami. Now, you can check us out through our online presence at Facebook and Viber. Just type in Edge Computer Technologies. You can also shop online through our online store, through Shopee and Lazada. You can type as Edge Computer Technologies, mahanap nyo dyan. Now, if you're an outdoor kind of guy or girl, you can find us here at for the Trinidad Branch and here at the Mabini through our Mabini Superstore. So, kita kids! Bye-bye!